Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create marketing emails in GoDaddy. First, go and log in to your account. Now, click on your name on the top right and go to your products section. Once in, scroll down until you see this website plus marketing and click on the drop down beside it. Now, you will see the lists of your websites, so just go and select the one that you'd like and then click on the Manage button beside it. Once inside your website dashboard, on the left panel, go to Marketing, then go to Email Marketing. Now, you'll have the option to create a new email, so just go and click on that. Now, GoDaddy AI will generate a template or email template for your website. But you can also start from scratch if you'd like to. Now it's time to customize this email marketing to your liking. You can change the tone of your email and select one that best fits your need. Then you can also change the type of that email, and also you can enter another request so that the AI will generate another template for you. Now let's proceed on choosing a theme. Here you can select from different themes depending on your liking. You can also edit the email style, like background colors, also the text, and the button of it. And you can also add your logo. So simply select a logo of your liking. Here, you can upload an image or select the one on your GoDaddy and insert it. And as you can see, it is now in your email. Next, let's proceed on recipients. Here, you can choose a contact and a group and also add individual emails to whom you can send your marketing email. Now for the tracking details, you can disable click tracking and view tracking. Then for the sender details, here you can add the name of it and also add your email. Now for when to send, here you can choose to send your email now. You can also schedule it for later or send a test first. After that, let's now proceed on the content of your email. You can go and click on the text that it contains. Then, you can simply type in whatever you want in that email, or you can delete a content if you'd like to. You can also edit the image that it has. After that, click on the Save button on the top right. Once saved, you can now proceed on sending your marketing email. And that's just basically it. That's how you create a marketing email in your GoDaddy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.